Let me show you how to blur specific areas in your videos using Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur and apply it to your clip. Open Effect Controls. Under Gaussian Blur, choose either a square or circle mask depending on your object's shape. Position the mask over what you want to blur and adjust its size to fit. Increase the blur amount until you're happy with the effect. To soften hard edges, adjust the mask feathering for a more natural look. For moving objects, click the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path to enable keyframing. Then press the play button to let Premiere automatically track your subject through each frame. Once tracking completes, your moving object stays blurred throughout the clip.